Come on, guys. All right, we're getting ready to go to the Shadelands pumpkin patch. Yeah, we're dressed as the Ghostbusters. Stay close to me. What? What? We're here. All right. Hey, we're here. Hit the pumpkin. Oh, is that a pumpkin man? Yeah, it's a pumpkin man. Is that a horsey? Do you want to ride the horse? Do you want to ride the horse? Come here, you want to ride it? Woo! You on the horse? Now Stay Puft Marshmallow Man became the Stay Puft Pumpkin Man. Are you going way up on top? Let me see. Look here, bud. Be careful. I'll get you going around. Oh, here goes Liam. Come on this way, on this one, Liam. Come on. Whoa. Do you want to take your picture? Why don't you sit right there and I'll get your picture with the jack-o'-lanterns.
All right, ready?
Yeah,
1, 3, say cheese.
Cheese, look at the camera, guys.
1, 2, 3.
Yay.
Hell yeah.
All right.
Guys have a great day.
Taking the pumpkins away, you too. All right. Daddy. Ooh. Oh, put it back on there. Put his head back on. Ah! Right here. Look right here. Yeah. What do you want to say? Happy Halloween.
Happy Halloween.
Whoa. Don't fall. Whoa. Stay Puft can jump too.
Yeah.
Jump down right here by the camera. Right here this way. Right here, look at the camera and jump. Ah, good job. Wow.
I won't fall.
You almost fell? Whoa. Stay Puft jumped on top of a pumpkin. Yeah, he likes telling everybody hi.
Very sure-footed.
18 months.
Yeah.
He likes to be the greeter.
Yeah.
Saying yes. You guys want to go over here and look now? Come on, there's so much more to look at. Yeah. You want to up, Liam? All right. Liam, let's go inside. Let's go inside. Come on, right here. Luke, go inside. Liam, come on. All right, he'll figure it out. He doesn't know we can go inside. Oh, there's bunnies. There's bunnies. You need help? Maybe they're to look at. Oh, look at that black and white bunny. So cute. Liam, come on. Oh, Liam likes the pig. He likes the pig. Come over here. Liam, come on. There you go. Come on. Whoa. Oh. Little bunny. Oh. Oh, it's so cute. You like the bunny? Gonna play with that one too? What is it? Is it a bunny? Oh. Careful with them. That one's feisty. Yes. Thank you. I wonder how you knew. She says, is this yours by any chance? And I'm like, I wonder how you knew. Oh, look at the chickens. Oh, uh-oh. Look at this guy. Oh! Look at the chicken. Liam, what are you doing? Careful, look at that. Woo! Oh, what do you see? It's a goat on top of the roof. What's he doing up there? Is he trying to get away from us? Oh, yeah, this guy's fun.
Yeah.
He's got a lot of personality.
Yeah.
Oh, you got the chicken? Ah, they like you. Oh, the chicken. Oh, look, she got a bunny out. Oh, careful, let her show you.
What did that goat get in there?
He got on top of the roof.
Ah.
Is he supposed to be up there?
Goats just do whatever they like.
No, they do whatever they like. Yeah, of course. I should know that. Wait a minute. What are you doing up there, pal?
Let me open this and get rid of that other goat.
Whoops.
Come on, buddy. Up you go.
Oh, is that how you get him down?
Well, I don't know. We'll see.
We'll see. Come on.
Ready?
Look at the goat. He's up high. He's a roof goat. He's a roof goat. I don't think he likes kids. Because as soon as he came down off of here, he jumped right up on here. He's like kind of afraid of kids or something.
Not listening to me at all.
Oh, that one's not supposed to be in there.
No, I think she'll jump out.
Oh. Oh, she'll jump out. Can you say hi? Ah, I got him. Got him. Hi. Hi, you're so pretty. Hi. You want to smell my camera? You want to eat my camera, probably. Ooh, you want to touch his horns? You want to touch his horns? Oh. Touch his horn. Oh. Whoa. We can jump so easily. Wow, did you see that? Wow, Liam, yes. Did you see him jump? No problem at all. He jumped so easily. Yes, he did. Oh, there's his friend up high. Yeah, he's eating that. That's his food. It's like a salad. He likes it. It's alfalfa. Uh-oh. Oh. Well, you think it's funny? Touch him. Touch him. Oh, he'll have no part of that. Look at that. Okay, let's leave him alone while they're eating. Leave them alone while they're eating. Look, you don't want to be bothered. You don't want to be bothered by kids, especially while they're eating. Right there, you see that red light? You know what that's for? That's to keep them warm at night. They get cold. So that light over there keeps them warm. You see it? It's a heat. It's a heat lamp. Oh, is he eating from you?
Yeah.
Oh, wait a minute. Oh, he's eating from you. How nice. Oh, that's so nice. Well, the kids have had the most fun at this little petting zoo right here.
Oh, he ate it.
He ate it? Okay. This guy, Mr. Personality Award here. Mr. Personality Award. Whoa. It's a pig. A pig. You do the pig sound? Wow, they smell great. Oh, how nice. They like you, Luke. They really like you. You know what?
I told you don't have.
They
You're not
probably trust you because they probably think you're dressed as a giant white chicken. That's probably why they like you so much.
Hey, sweetie, do you want to get off the horsey? Maybe someone else wants to go on.
It's
Maybe
okay.
wants to go on. You might want to go on.
We're okay whenever you guys are done.
Hey there.
He actually swings a lot at home. We have a swing at home a lot. He loves it. Careful.
Watch out. Watch out.
Yeah, it doesn't know that yet. Are people getting their picture with the Stay Puft Marshmallow Man?
Yeah.
Beautiful. Yeah, it's some face painting done. It looks so beautiful.
Tattoos.
Yeah, very cool.
Wasn't my plan, but it was on there. Are you smiling? Did you find another one or
All right, we've had a great time here today at the Shadelands Pumpkin Patch. We did lots of fun things. I think the kids actually enjoyed the petting zoo the most. Good morning. Are you excited? You're practicing for being the Stay Puft Marshmallow today? Well, let's see you do your slow motion. Act like, come toward the camera. Yeah. All right, good job. Ah, yeah. Let me see you do your hands. Okay.